The US dollar is mixed as spring begins. The British pound dipped following reports that UK Prime Minister Theresa May will trigger the Brexit process on March 29th. Last week, British lawmakers passed Article 50. Now, earlier, pound dollar was above the 124 level, but it did decline below that level. After the G20, there is renewed concern about the United States global trade relations, and in the post-meeting communique, there's language on avoiding currency manipulation, but lacked a call for free trade. It dropped a pledge to avoid trade protectionism. Last week's Federal Reserve rate guidance was seen to be less hawkish. We will be getting 9 different Fed policy speeches this week, including Janet Yellen on Thursday. So far today, the Fed's Evans says he supports 3 rate hikes this year if the economy holds and 4 hikes if inflation spikes. He also expects GDP here in the U.S. to grow at a rate of 2.25% this year. Meanwhile, the Fed's Kashkari says his vote against a rate hike last week is based on the lack of inflation. Meanwhile, in New York morning trade, euro dollar is higher by just 0.16%, trading hands at 1.0753. Pound dollar is lower, off 0.1% at 1.2379, while dollar yen has edged slightly higher at 112.77. The Australian dollar against the U.S. currency is back in focus today. The pair broke above a former declining trend line and is now bullish. The RSI is mixed to bullish as well, and trading central analysts prefer long positions above 0.7680 with targets at 0.7755 and 0.7780 in extension. Precious metals are turning flat on Monday. Gold is supported by the bullish trend line and its rising 50-day moving average. Trading central analysts prefer long positions above the new support at 12.29 with targets at 12.41 and 12.46.5 in extension. Silver futures are off just 0.1%, trading at $17.39 per troy ounce. That does wrap it up for this morning. I'm Remy Blair reporting for the New York Stock Exchange. Make sure to follow us on Twitter at Trading Central. Have a great day.